Hey guys, in this video you'll be learning about how to factorize polynomials by using difference of two square identity and by splitting the middle term. Hope you enjoy. Good afternoon students. In this video I'll be teaching you on how to factor polynomials. Step number 1, what we're going to be doing in this equation is we'll be regrouping this polynomial, because if you don't, it's either going to be super hard for us to factorize or it may not be able to factorize at all. So how I'm going to regroup it is, it's going to look like x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus y squared. You'll know by the end of the video on why it is really important to do this. So what we are going to be doing now is we are going to be factorizing the left hand side or the first three terms. The final outcome what I'll be looking for is I want it to come as a squared minus b squared. Now this is an identity and we already have our b to the power of 2 now. So let's start off by factorizing this polynomial here. We have x squared plus 2x plus 1. We'll be factorizing this polynomial by breaking the middle term. In order to factorizing by breaking the middle term, we'll need to find the value of AC and B. The value of AC is the constant in front of A, which is 1, multiplied by the number C. This has the A value, this has the B value, and this has the C value. A multiplied by C is 1 multiplied by 1 will give us 1. The value of B is the constant of this, which will be equal to 2. Now what we have to do is we have to find two numbers that multiply and give us 1, and the same two numbers that will add and give us 2. So those two numbers are really easy, which are 1 and 1. What this means is we'll be adding these two terms instead of the middle term 2x. So what will look like is we'll have x squared plus 1x plus 1x plus 1. So we have broken the middle term. Instead of 2x, we have written it by these two numbers that we just found out just now. Now we'll be factorizing this whole polynomial by dividing it into two parts. First, we'll factorize these two parts. So the common factor of both of this is x. X squared divided by x will give us x, and 1x divided by x will give us 1. Now left hand side has been cleared, we'll be going to the right hand side. We'll be copying down whatever sign is off here. We have a plus sign, so we'll be copying the plus sign. Common factor of this equation would be 1. Open a bracket. 1x divided by 1 will give us x, plus 1 divided by 1 will give us 1. You can take note that when we factorize middle terms, these two brackets will always be the same. Again, so the two common brackets or the two same brackets, we'll write it as one bracket, and whatever number constant and whatever variable we have on the outside of those two equal brackets, we'll write it in the next bracket. Please do note, not all the time will these be the same. X plus 1 plus x plus 1 can also be written as x plus 1 to the power of 2. So we have factorized x squared plus 2x plus 1 to x plus 1 to the power of 2. So we'll rewrite x squared plus 2x plus 1 as x plus 1 to the power of 2 minus y to the power of 2. Now this has come to the equation we are looking for at first. We wanted to write it as a square minus b square, and we have a square minus b square, where this one will be our a and this will be our b. Now if you guys know your identities, we know that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. So this equation we can write it as a, which is x plus 1, minus b, and a, again x plus 1 plus b. Our b is y. Now this is our final answer. Hope this helped you guys and you enjoyed it. If you have any question, please comment below and I'll try to solve it if possible. Have a nice day, guys.